In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add our CX-BTG Gateway. The gateway is intended to use via the cloud to connect with our app to use with Google or Alexa. You would connect the gateway to the homeowner's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your Wi-Fi is compatible with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. In your Wi-Fi setup in your home, you should see a 2.5 gigahertz for your wireless SID that you have in your home. So if you do not have that Wi-Fi or 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi SID in your home or have access to it, you will not be able to use the gateway. So at this point, the gateway blue light is flashing, ready for pairing. So what we're going to go ahead and do is make sure our phone is on the 2.4 gigahertz network. And then what we're going to do basically is click on the plus sign in the app up the top right. And we're going to click Add Device. So we already found the device. So what we want to do is go ahead and click on Add. And there's our Bluetooth Gateway Hub. Click on Plus. And at this point, you want to type in the username and password for your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Click Next. Now that the gateway is added and we renamed it, and we can click on Done. We need to start adding fixtures to assign the gateway to be able to control the fixtures that we have. So we want to click on Add Devices and click on Associate Bluetooth Devices that we already added. So we want to be able to control the CL405 AB. We want to also be able to control the CL400 GM as well. We do not need to add the CX-BTE as it's only broadcasting, amplifying these signals. So we're just going to click on Select and hit Confirm. And we're going to hit Join. This can take a minute. Now it added 2 devices that we can control via the cloud and via Google or Alexa. Hit Finished. After adding your fixtures to the gateway, now we want to be able to control via Google Home or Alexa. I currently use Google. So what I'm going to do is click on one of the fixtures like the CL405. Then I'm going to go up to the Edit icon in the top right. Then I'm going to click on Google Assistant. From this point, we need to link Google with our app. So what we want to do basically is get verification code. So let's go ahead and do that, make it real easy for us. We'll go ahead and click on Get. We want to copy that code, and then we'll go to Google Assistant. Let's copy that. Now I have Google Home opened, and what I want to do from here is I want to click on Settings. Then I want to click on Add Device. Then I want to click on Works with Google at the bottom. From here, we want to search for Fiat Lux by Corona Lighting. So we have Fiat Lux BT by Corona Lighting. Click on that. Now we need to link our account. We'll click Continue. Now we'll paste or enter the 8-digit code that we copied. And we'll click the arrow for next. Now you're going to authorize it. Now my Google Home is connected to the Fiat Lux app. At this point, you can find the fixture in your Google Home app or Alexa app, and then you can go ahead and add it to a room and create a room for like outside, outdoors, or Corona BT, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to do that now and make my groups. So now you can see that I created a room called Corona BT, and I have 2 lights on. So now I can actually go into those those Corona BT and have all my fixtures right there, and including the group. So on the group, Corona BT lights, I can press it within my Google Home app and turn it off or turn it back on. Now let's give it some commands. Okay, Google, Corona BT lights to red.
All right, changing 2 lights to red.
Okay, Google, Corona BT lights to green.
Got it, changing 2 lights to green.
That's how you use our gateway and connect it with Google or Alexa.